this is Shiba Anju. I'm doing my MTech final year in environmental engineering. As soon as I entered BMS campus, the one thing which fascinated me is nothing but the campus here. It is a mix of a lush greenery and a modern infrastructure. So of course it's a plus point for any college, and since it's among one of the top colleges in South India, so you can just go for BMS without any second thoughts. And the crowd here is just awesome. The students here are so great in the academics without being nerdy. Plus, they take part in the co-curricular activities too. And the campus here is too good. Facilities provided here, it's too good. And Wi-Fi access, research facilities, everything is awesome. The one thing which BMS is famous for is nothing but for its event Kalotsav. It's like one of the most happening event in Bangalore, and all the colleges, right from like non-engineering colleges and engineering colleges, all the students from across the state takes part in the Utsav, and that's one of the most happening thing. And it has the placement records too. And when you come to my department, that's environmental department, it's one of the best departments which I have seen in my whole this thing. They provide with all the facilities. Lab in our departments, they are incurred with all the high equipped equipments. Research facilities are provided, papers are published, plus faculties here are too friendly. You can approach to the faculty without any concern. And they arrange industrial visits. They take us to many plants. They explore us. They explore to the outer world. They give us how to enact with the industry people, and it's of course a plus point, and it gains the knowledge. So I'm like proud to be an BMSC, and I have a heartful gratitude towards all my teachers, towards all my friends, and I'm like proud to be associated with this campus. Thank you.